Good morning, everyone. I see we've got some additional new growth over here. It's pretty. The tips when they put out the new leaves are always pretty. Here's Morris doing his Morris thing, acting normal today. I don't know what was going on those couple of days, but he's here. Marty and Tux. I have seen Stripe swat Morris twice. A gentle swat, but I don't feel good. Leave me alone after my shots at the vet swat. So he's still in the house. Is he ready to come out now? Maybe. You know, I think he's 90% of normal, but... You coming, bud? You coming back out? Okay. He's talking about you. You know, usually the day after their shots, they're a little off their game, and then they go back to normal. So, hopefully. I think that's all it is. Yeah, you're just not feeling up to breaking any records running around the yard today, huh? I am headed up to Guardian Angel, but maybe just 30 minutes later than normal. And, yeah. And Michelle's, I'm meeting her in the parking lot, but I'm not meeting her. And look, the gardenia, although it is getting ready to drop some leaves, and I'm not sure why. But there are a lot more blooms open, and it smells divine. Good morning, Panther. Every day you're at the door waiting for me is a blessing. Hi. He goes, oh God, no, she's going to try to give me that pill. I might have to do it when I get back this afternoon. We'll see. Hi, I got your food. Good morning. Good morning. Here you go. Hi. Hi. I bet you're hungry. Aren't you hungry? Good morning. Good morning. I can't grab him when he's that far away. So we'll see if he'll come over to eat and what happens. I'm not going to panic about it. So I tell myself. Hi. Good morning. He goes, I just know you're going to grab me. But grabbing you makes you more comfortable. I was able to pick him up, take him inside for the pill. We like it when he's got a little spunk. He had a little spunk this morning about it. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Hello. Good girl. It looks like it could rain any minute, and the Storm Prediction Center says we have a slight risk of a severe storm today. I just want it to rain. Even 15 minutes of a downpour would be appreciated. This morning is the morning that the Lego Bricklink Designer Series sets went on sale. There's 5 of them. These are real Lego sets, but they're crowdfunded. I think they're produced in a 30K limited run. Anyway, I wanted the mushroom house, and after 15 minutes of website woes due to heavy usage, I was finally able to get through the checkout process and order one of them. So I was very pleased. Hello! Are we almost out of school for the year?
Not yet.
2 more exams. Oh, okay. 4th of July things out today. Yay! So the Harry's not new.
Nope, this isn't new.
Okay, but it's awesomely amazing. I'm loving looking at all the 4th of July stuff. Michelle's found a few things, and I just found a kitty cat 4th of July towel. It's a medium, or I'd be taking it home. Very cute, but I don't see the Mrs. cup that goes with it. Somebody must have kept Michelle. Somebody must have kept it or already bought it. One of the two. But yeah, I guess you're right about the divorce if they only kept the one. Best day for Corel in a really long time. Oh, and I got a couple shower curtains too. Bye, girl. I enjoyed it. I see the town replanted the big cement planter pots. And looks like marigolds and a tropical plant in the middle, and they took out the shrub. God, I hope they didn't just throw out the shrub. I hope they planted it somewhere, gave it to somebody, used it for another purpose. Because it really wasn't a disposable plant. And I don't know. I did see a lady when Don and I were in town very briefly after our walk this morning on a pogo route that, you know, was watering them. She was going around with her little trolley thing that had the water tank on it and watering all the town plants in the pots. With everything, please.
Wow, look at the loot.
Yep.
4th of July.
4th of July loot. Yep, big time.
This bag down here too?
Yes, that's the very fragile thing.
I'll be extra careful.
Thank you. I trust you fully. And it started with the Linux conversion on this old MacBook. Before I take this outside, this was one of my treasures today, a cat playing with his gnomes. So I got the 2 pinwheels. I think they were $2 a piece. The little gnome kitty cat was $3.19. He was really inexpensive. This was $4. I'm gonna get Dawn to put it on the shelf above the love seat. I've got to get that decorated for 4th of July here really soon. For $1. When they have them for $1 and I need them, I buy them. If they're more than that, you know, I can get them with a coupon at Michael's. For Sam, it's a saddlebred. Don't know that it's been washed, and it's wrinkle-free fabric. 2 towels, and this one's going on the dishwasher now. I don't know why this one was 3 and this one was 2, but there's the 2 mini flags I got, and I've already got a lot out there for this year, so I think I'm going to save them for next year. I brought home 2 flags today. This one's brand new, $5, 3 foot by 5 foot, has embroidered stars and brass grommets. Yeah. So that's a good deal. And this one for $2 is embroidered, and I'm sure it has brass grommets, but it flew at the USS Arizona Memorial. It flew July the 18th, 1995.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's $2, and it's a perfectly good flag, and it's folded nice and put in the little package and everything. Yeah. So both these shower curtains are like new and have flowers and butterflies on them. I paid $6 each, and I really like swapping out the shower curtain in the bathroom. It's like having a whole new bathroom almost. And if not, then when we're covering things for frost, they come in handy because they're really lightweight, but they're big. This is a pretty nifty hair thing. It's a big clip, and then it has 3 little clips also. Michelle took home a 4-pack, and I thought I'd try one. It was a couple bucks. And the cute little kitty cat from Target. Probably save it for Halloween. It was half price. $1.50. It's just cute. And then you guys saw that I got Corel, which ranged from $1 to $3. There's 3 patterns there. I wish they'd have had some more of these dinner plates. I really like the leafy pattern, but here's where I left off yesterday. While the lasagna that's for dinner, I just put in the oven is cooking, I'm going to work on it. I should have 45 minutes. The lasagna's done, so it's time to stop for the night. You can sort of start to see how the front of the building's going to work. You know, it's a lot of detail work right now, so not major amounts of progress. This is the front door, but a good bit of progress nonetheless.